So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your Ethernet adapter. You're going to right click on it. Make sure that it's been enabled. So if it says disable this network device, it means that it's been enabled for you already. You don't need to do anything. But if it says enable this network device, then you're going to click on enable, which will then enable it. And then once you enable it for the second step, you're going to right click on it and then click on diagnose. If it detects anything, it's going to try to fix it for you. And now for the next step, you just want to take note of your network adapter name. So mine's called Intel R Pro. Now once you take note of that name, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. And then you want to find that same network adapter. So for me, it's called Intel R Pro on both of them. This is how I know it's the correct one. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on reset now and then click on yes. It's going to restart your computer automatically, or you could just restart it yourself. So you're going to close this, restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.